Good morning students, Business Max. Today topic is lesson number 9, index number. Index numbers are indicators which reflects the changes over a specified period of time in price of different commodities, production, sales, cost of living, etc. Okay, EX number 9.2. Define an index number. Define an index number. An index number is a statistical measure of situation in a variable arranged in the form of series and using a base period for making comparisons. Fluctuation is very important. An index number is a statistical measure of fluctuation. Okay. Next, question number 2. State the use of index number. 1. It helps to studying the trends and tendencies. Number 2. It is an important tool for the formulating decision and management policies. Number 3. It determines the inflation and deflation in an economy. Number 3. Question number 3. Mention the classification of index number. Number 1. Price index number. Number 2. Quantity index number. Number 3. Cost of living index number. Define last payer's price index number. Last payer's price index number measures the general changes in the retail or wholesale price level of a particular or group of commodities. Last payer's price index number PL01 is equal to sum of P1Q0 divided by sum of P0Q0 into 100. Explain the Pawsey's price index number. In Pawsey's price index number, the quantity of the current year is used as weight. The Pawsey's price index number PP01 is equal to sum of P1Q1 divided by sum of P0Q0 into 100. Question number 6. Write a note on Fisher's price number. Fisher's price index number. Fisher's price index number is the geometric mean between the last payers and the Pawsey's index number. This is last payer's index number. This is Pawsey's index number. Taking square root, we get Fisher's price index number. Next, sum number 7. Question number 7. State the test of adequacy of index number. Number 1. Time reversal test. Number 2. Factor reversal test. Define time reversal test. Time reversal test maintains time consistency by working both forward and backward with respect to time. F of 01 is equal to square root of sum of P1Q0 divided by sum of P0Q0 into sum of P1Q1 divided by sum of P0Q1. PF of 1C is square root of sum of P0Q1 divided by sum of P1Q1 into sum of P0Q0 divided by sum of P1Q0. Product of these two gives 1. Next, question number 9. Explain the factor reversal test. The product of the price index number and the quantity index number from the base year to the current year should be equal to true value ratio. P01 into Q01 is equal to sum of P1 Q1 divided by sum of P0 Q0, where P01 is square root of sum of P1 Q0 into sum of P1 Q1 divided by sum of P0 Q0 into sum of P0 Q1. Q of 01, Q of 01 is square root of sum of Q1 P0 into sum of Q1 P1 divided by sum of Q0 P0 into sum of Q0 P1. Question number 10. Define true value ratio. True value ratio is the ratio between the total value of the current period and a total is the ratio between the total value of current period and discuss about cost of living index number. Cost of living index number is constructed to study the effect of changes in price of goods and services of consumers for a current period as them compared with the base period. Next, number 1, aggregate expenditure method. Cost of living index number is equal to sum of P1 Q0 divided by sum of P0 Q0 into 100. Number 2, family budget method. Cost of living index is equal to sum of PV divided by sum of P, where P is the ratio of P1 divided by P2 into 100. P is sum of P0 Q0. Question number 12, define family budget method. In the family budget method, the weights are calculated by multiplying prices and the quantity of the base year. Cost of living index number is equal to sum of PV divided by sum of V, where P is equal to P1 divided by P0 into 100. V is equal to sum of P0 Q0. Question number 13, state the use of cost of living index number. Number 1, cost of living index number CLI indicate whether the real wastage of workers are rising or falling for a given time. Number 2, cost of living index number CLI used by the administrators for regulating or decreases allowances or grant of bonus to the workers. Calculate the suitable method for the index number of price from the following data. Data is commodity 2002 price quantity, 2012 price quantity. ABC are the commodities. Okay, now solution of question number 14. Commodity 2002, price P0, quantity Q0. 2012 price P1, quantity Q. A is 10, 20, 16, 10, 12, 34, 18, 42, 15, 30, 20, 26. First, find P0 Q0. P0 and Q0. P0 Q0 is P0 Q0. Product gives 200. P0 Q1. P0 Q1 100. Next, P1 Q0. P1 Q0 160. No, 320. P1 Q0 320. Next P1 Q1. P1 is 16. Q1 is 10. 160. Next 408. P0 Q1. Commodity P. 504. Next 612. Next 756. Commodity C. P0 Q1. 15 into 30. 450. Next 390. P1 Q0. P1 Q0 is 600. Next 520. Total 1058. Next 994. Next 1532. 1436. Grand total. Loss payers. Price index number. Loss payer price index number PL01 is equal to formula sum of P1 Q0 divided by sum of P0 Q0 into 100 is equal to P1 Q0 1532 divided by sum of P0 Q0 1058 into 100 is equal to 1.448 into 100 is equal to 144.8. Price index number. Cost is price index number. PP not is equal to sum of P1 Q1 divided by sum of P0 Q1 into 100. Sum of P1 Q1 is 1436 divided by sum of P0 Q1 is 994 into 100 is equal to 1.44 into 100 is equal to 144.4. Answer. Cost is price index number P of not. Next question number 16. Compute loss payers. Number 2 cost is. Number 3 Fisher's index numbers for the 2010 from the following data. Data is this: commodity, price, quantity. Price 2000, 2010. Quantity 2000, 2010. A, B, C, D are the 4 commodities. Okay, solution. Commodity A, B, C, D. Next, initial stage price P naught. P naught is 12, 15, 14, 12. Price final stage 2010, 14, 16, 15, 12. Next, quantity initial stage 18, 20, 24, 29. Next, 16, 15, 20, 23. Not P naught Q naught is 216. Next, commodity A, P naught Q1 is 192, 252, 224, 300. Commodity B, 225, 320, 240. Next, 336, 225, no, 336, 280, 360, 300. Next, 348, 276, 348. P1 Q1 is 276. Total 1200, 973, 1280, 1040. This is A, B, C, D. Total. First, number 1, last player's index number. Last player index number PL not 1 is equal to sum of P1 Q naught divided by sum of P naught Q naught into 100 is equal to P1 Q naught 1280 divided by P naught Q naught is 1200 into 100 is equal to 1 point, using calculator 1.0666 into 100 is equal to 106.66. This is last place index number. Number 2, Quasi's index number. Quasi's index number PP not 1 is equal to sum of P1 Q1 divided by sum of P naught Q 100 is equal to 1000 P1 Q1 is 1040 divided by sum of P0 Q1. P0 Q1 is 973 into 100 is equal to 106 1.0688 into 100 is equal to 106.88. This number is Paas's index number. Next, Fisher's index number. Fisher's index number P not 1 of F of not 1 is equal to product of last place and Paas's taking square root, we get answer. Sum of P1 Q0 divided by sum of P0 Q0 into sum of P1 Q1 divided by sum of P0 Q1 into 100 is equal to 1280 into P1 Q1 is sum of P1 Q1 is 1040 divided by 1200 into 973 into 100 is equal to product of these two numbers using calculator 1331200 divided by 116 7600 into 100 is equal to 13312 divided by 11676 into 100 is equal to square root of 1.1401 into 100 is equal to 1.067 into 100 is equal to 106.7 is Fisher's index number. Hence, Fisher's index number PF of not 1 is equal to 106.7. Hence the result. Today homework. EX number 9.2, sum number 15 and 18.